Hi everyone, I'm Allie.
And I'm Bridget.
And we are super excited to bring you our newest product, the
OvalDuo,
OvalDuo, which incorporates some crystals as well, or you can do a lot of other things with. So we'll show you kind of what we have going on and what we plan to do with the OvalDuo. So the OvalDuos, we have them, they are a Potomac. So if you're unsure what the Potomacs are, the Potomacs are basically our metal version of our exclusive beads. So these are a 8 by 10 millimeter. So when you're looking at them, they're 8 by 10 millimeter.
And the opening, so it fits the flatbacks that are 6 by 8. So that's how big kind of that inside portion is.
And we have the flatbacks you can add in. We also have been throwing around the idea of using some polymer clay, working with some resin. I actually have a little piece here that I had played during one of our Twitch live streams that I just had this kind of sweet little simple bracelet going on. But I was gonna drop some flower petals in there and then pour some resin over.
Yeah, so there is like this little kind of lip on the edge. So it is still great for resin or polymer clay or anything you kind of want to put in there.
Yeah, it has, you can see it a little bit more with the copper. So we have the antique copper, the bright brass gold.
We have the antique brass and the antique silver.
And last but not least, the gunmetal.
Or gunmetal.
The gold medal gunmetal. They are a Zamic material, basically, and then they have the coatings over them. They'll stay what they are. They do not have any nickel or anything in them. And I'm really excited just to basically see what we have. The cool thing about the Potomacs is it gives a whole nother dimension to your beading. So it's not just standard seed beads and kind of one at a time. It's adding in that mixed metal.
Yeah, I always like kind of the mixed materials. I think the metal brings a nice little difference there. And then plus you can change it up any way you like it. So it can really work for any project. If you're doing the flatbacks, we have a ton of different colors for that. And then thinking about the resin, that adds a whole different kind of dimension and, you know, different things you can add in there.
Yeah, and I've even seen some people with like little settings like this. You can actually line up seed beads. If you have your needle, you can kind of line them up, glue them in there like your delicas in a pattern if you want. So I'm excited to play around with more than just the flatbacks and play around kind of creating. So this is the first design that I actually did on our Twitch live stream, and it is the Lady Victoria is what we're going to call that fun vintagey.
Yeah, I like that because it's the vintage.
So it's that first thing. We'll be bringing you more designs with the Potomac OvalDuo, and we're happy to offer them in both 10 and 50 pack quantities. Again, always you can get them from us online and play around with it. In the comments below too, let us know what you are going to be making with the Potomacs.
Or take pictures of what you make and leave those there too.
Yeah, leave them into, also you can add them to our Facebook group for beading and jewelry making. And we love to see what you guys make with them because it really inspires us, gives new ideas, and really helps out the beading community.
Yep. Thanks for watching, and I hope this brought you some inspiration on different ways that you can use the OvalDuo as well.
We're really excited to be able to offer this and the crystals kind of to go along with them. So if you need any of them, they're below us in the little description box. If you're watching on a mobile, you can also press the 3 little lines down, and that'll drop that down for you as well to get links to purchase from us online at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu.